So in this video I'm just going to be showing you how to use chafing fuel. So basically this is a tin, and inside this tin there is a alcohol gel, and you can use this as a camping stove or as a temporary stove or for heating things. It's become very popular at Christmas with people using it to heat marshmallows up. So there's a lid on this tin, and we just use a spoon or something just to, that's not sharp, to gently lift the lid off. And as we can see on the lid, there's some of the gel, and there's the gel inside. So basically this is, like I said, it's an alcohol gel. You just need a bit of distance between yourself and the flame, so I'm going to use this long tipped lighter, and you simply and there we go, simple as that. It does tell you on the tins how long it will burn for, but they're quite long burn times, and to extinguish them you just need to remove all of the air, so just basically put the lid back on, provide a good seal. So yeah, great alternative to a gas stove or something like that, and they are completely reusable. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to grow the channel.